An exciting day today. We're finally switching out the stock lights for some lightly smoked ones, actually medium smoked from smokelights.com. And it shouldn't be too long, and it'll look really good. So here we go. Ooh, let's break them right away. Good old M trunk. Struts never work. Gonna start with popping off covers here. There we go. Let's see. I think I can get it without. I don't know if that one has to come off. Usually you just give away or you break them.
Like that?
Yep, either or. So, let's see. That gives me enough access to get to them at least. Let's see, probably a 7mm, I would guess. That's 8. And here you go. Alright. We usually get the wiring up over the top of them. See? Pop off the wiring. There you go. I always like to keep them clipped.
So hard to record.
So they don't fall. And look at that. It was a 8, not a 7. Okay. Basically, I keep it wired so when you take out the bolts, the light doesn't accidentally fall and hit the ground. Just to back up. Okay. I don't know why they make them so long, but taillights seem to be very long bolts for some reason, with lots and lots of threads. Okay. And one tough one. Wow. There you go. Now the light out. Sometimes they stick a little bit. And press the clip here. Much easier. This one has a nicer gasket. So we're gonna put it on the other light. I mean, these are what, 30 years old? No, not 30, 20 years old. Good old 20-year-old gasket, or what's left of it. Throw it on here. Whoop. Wrong way. There. Do the best we can with it, since it's all we got. There we go. Clip in the wiring first, since it's easier. get on. Do as much by hand as I can because it's quicker. We'll just get it started because you guys get the idea. Okay. Then we'll move on to the other one. Pop the top one off, pull it out, grab up here, and you should have a decent amount of room here. One nut. Two nuts. Three. Oh no. That one seems to be already loose. Oh, okay. We need a little more movement here with the trim. So we'll pop that one out. There we go. Much nicer. Getting close. As a side note, what M45 isn't complete without a bottle of power steering fluid? It's a must. There we go. Got all of them pushed out. Be cool if the gasket actually just stayed, but it doesn't. There we go. Light off. Oh, maybe I can get it to stay. We'll attempt it. Alright. Nah, we will not attempt it. I don't want to scratch the lights. See, the lights have nice little pegs on them, so I'll take advantage of that. Here. Just don't drop your light. Okay.
Clip it in. Pop her in.
There you go, nice and tight there. And then we'll just get them going here so you guys can get the idea. go. And let's see here. Let's check it out. And that looks
Way better.
a million times better. I like it. All right.
Smoke lights.
Smokelights.com. You can get your set done there.